Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a messy chignon bun on medium length hair. To start, pop a loose curl through the hair. This doesn't have to be perfect. I've just used my straighteners and I'm alternating the way I curl the hair every time I take a new section for more volume. Once everything is curled, I'm going to take some volume powder and just apply it at the roots around the crown area. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Now we're going to divide off the crown and I'm going to drag my fingers down to the base of the neck, so the section will be wider at the top and coming in slimmer at the bottom. Then just pop this into a ponytail using a clear elastic band, but on the last turn only pull it part way through to create a loop. So moving on to the right hand side, I'm going to take all of the hair, leaving a little bit out to frame the face. And I'm going to bring this around to the back of the neck and create the same loop. We want this to sit to the right hand side of the first one, about an inch or so higher. So create your ponytail, pull it part way through to create your loop. And then just repeat on the left hand side, so leave your hair out to frame the face and then create another loop to the left hand side of that middle one, slightly higher. So you should have 3 loops altogether. Apply some wax spray to the top of the head and then pinch and pull at the hair for more texture and volume. Now taking the right loop, I'm going to pop a couple of fingers all the way through the centre, and with those fingers I'm going to grab that middle loop. So grab the whole loop and pull it all the way through. Then repeat on the left side, so pop your fingers through the middle of the left loop, grab that middle loop and pull it all the way through that left loop. Hold everything to the head and secure all the way around the outside with as many bobby pins as needed. Then apply some texture spray all over your chignon bun and then using your fingers, pinch and pull each loop and twist for some more texture and volume. This also helps hide any elastic bands. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.